The hazardous effect of cleaning agents and possible solutions. Many home cleaning products found over-the-counter promise magical solutions to your cleaning problems. And honestly, some of these products can do wonders in cleaning your home, as they can remove stains with less stress and effort. However, these cleaning agents may contain chemicals, substances that can cause harmful effects on the body over a long period. So this brings forth the question, if these cleaning agents are worth it for your home based on the health effects they can have on the body. At FastKlean, we provide tips, recommendations and information about the best practices for eco-friendly approaches to cleaning your home. And that is why we encourage our audience to subscribe to our platforms to get real-time access and information about the latest and updated information that will improve the quality of your lifestyle. Now let's look at one of the problems that most households face, which is the use of cleaning products manufactured nowadays. Some of them are made of harsh substances which, over a long time, can cause severe health problems to the people who use these products. Based on the wonders these products do in cleaning the house, you will agree with me that it is not easy to let go of them. But when you think of the long and short heart effects such as asthma, lung cancer, skin reaction, and even low sperm counts, you may consider possible alternatives to these products. There is research that has proven that most of the substances used in making these cleaning products are toxic. Some of the chemicals found in these cleaning products, which may be responsible for some of these health hazards, include nitrates, alkylphenol ethoxylates, APEs, penonylphenol, diethanolamine, DEA, or triethanolamine, TEA, subsiding agents, and other harmful substances. While some products may display all the substances used, others may not disclose them on their label. But how often do you look at the ingredients of the products? You can comment and interact below on how often you read about them. What are the alternatives available for toxic cleaning products? And this brings us to suitable alternatives to these toxic cleaning products to keep us and the environment safe and healthy. We will list the best options based on our research and experience as a top cleaning agent in the United Kingdom. Number 1. Seek the services of a reliable cleaning agency. To be on the safe side, it is best to hire the services of a reliable cleaning agency with a track record of adhering to health and environmental concerns. At FastKlean, we provide a wide range of cleaning services for residential and commercial properties using the best products for health and environmental concerns. Using a cleaning agency with a good track record will take away the colossal task of finding the right products, as you will be paying for thorough cleaning of your home or offices, while ensuring top priority is given to the kind of products used to ensure that no toxic substances are left behind. We have a sound track with experts with years of experience amidst in-depth knowledge in the industry to help you. Number 2. DIY cleaning products for home use. You can maintain a toxic-free environment by using simple do-it-yourself remedies to clean your home. These homemade cleaning products are made from natural ingredients with no trace of toxic substances. Some of the ingredients you will use for these homemade cleaning products include vinegar, soap, lemon juice, baking soda, water and borax, which can be mixed in different ratios to create a usable cleaning solution. Various mixtures are suitable for cleaning different kinds of stains, such as a mixture of borax with vinegar or lemon juice that is suitable for removing stains and smells in your toilets. Also, your regular soap mixed in water with baking soda will do magic for your bathroom and toilets. These mixtures are natural, have no short or long-term health or environmental effects, and are affordable. If you cannot afford the services of a cleaning agency, then you should look into these DIY recipes to maintain your home without using toxic substances. Number 3. Use natural methods and organic deodorants. Avoid inorganic deodorants and artificial products to kill offensive smells, for they may contain toxic substances. Instead, Use something natural and practical like opening up your windows, drying off wet surfaces, rugs and carpets, and cleaning your home. But if you must use substances to drive away smells, they should be natural products, such as lemon juice, borax, cider, and organic flowers, which can do the tasks, and contain no trace of toxic substances. Number 4. Read labels of products you buy. Unfortunately, most of us do not care about reading the label to know the ingredients used in our products. Honestly, it goes beyond reading the elements, for you should know about the ingredients, and if they are harmful to humans. You should research, ask experts, or learn from customer reviews about products, especially new ones in the market, to know more about the products. You can learn about suitable products, tips, recommendations, etc., about eco-friendly products and practices of FastKlean and other eco-friendly platforms. We advise that you read and understand any product you are using in your home, especially with the influx of inorganic products on the market. We are sure that you will be more concerned about the ingredients used in making the cleaning products you use at home. After reading about the short and long-term effects of these ingredients found in these products, you will want to consider the tips provided above. At this stage, we encourage you to follow us across our social media platforms to get real-time updates and access to previous topics that you will find helpful. And you can also contact us for our services or speak to a consultant and learn more about eco-friendly approaches that will be helpful to you and the environment. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.